guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Lockie. So today I'm going to be making a hot cocoa bar. I'm going to show you guys exactly where I got some things and how I did it. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is a red table runner that I got from the Dollar Tree. So it's super cheap, only $1. It is a bit long for what I need to use it for, so I'm going to be cutting this in half so I can use two parts of it, so I can use it more for the width rather than the length, since it is actually a table runner. And those are the two pieces. Okay, so next I'm going to be making the two-tier tray. This is mainly for decorating on the bottom, putting cookies on, or just putting little toppings for the hot cocoa bar on. And the ones that you buy at stores are usually really expensive. So I just got these two trays from the Dollar Tree and this candle holding glass bottle thing also from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just super gluing the base down on one of the trays, and then I'm going to be super gluing the top of this. Don't use hot glue because a lot of the times these trays fall apart with hot glue. So just use super glue. It tends to be a lot more sturdy, and just press down, and after a few minutes it will be intact and you can use that. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting up some decor for the hot cocoa bar, and believe it or not, I got these at the Dollar Tree. They have such cute Christmassy things in there. I just had to get a whole bunch. These pine cones I got from Target. They were in like a bag of about 20 of them. Still fairly cheap, I believe like $5 or $6. And the hot cocoa sign, which is standing behind that Believe sign, I got from Amazon. It was on the pricier end a little bit. It was like $7 or $8, but I thought it was a cute addition. The set of deer I found on Target as well. They were on clearance for about $7. I thought they were really cute and they were a nice addition to the bar. Alright, so this is some ribbon that I got from Target. It's a gold champagne color. I believe it was about like $4 to $5, and there's a good amount of it. It's a little thick for what I need, but the color is really pretty. So I'm just going to be cutting this in half to make it a little thinner, and I'm going to be taping these around the glass jars I'm going to be using for the hot cocoa bar. Alright, so the next part I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taping the ribbon onto the glass jars I'm going to be using for the hot cocoa bar. I'm going to be using double-sided tape to tape it on. I feel like it conceals better than single-sided, and it's really easy to use and less messy than glue. And I'm going to be doing this to all of the glass jars I use for the hot cocoa bar. So I had these red and green Christmas straws just sitting around at home. I put them in one of the taller jars. Next I have some candy canes, which I purchased from Target. Fairly cheap. I also put them in the taller jars. And then I got these peppermint spoons, the chocolate ones from Target. Pretty cheap as well, and they're super delicious. And I put these in the tall jars as well. And I got these peppermint bark squares as well as these snowman shaped candies. I thought they'd be super cute additions to top off your hot chocolate and super festive. So this is just a quick look in the in-between phase of the hot cocoa bar just to see how it's coming about. Next, I have some white chocolate chips. I'm just going to be putting these into a separate jar to be used later to make the hot cocoa. Next, I'm going to be doing the same thing, except I'm going to make a separate jar for the milk chocolate chips. And finally, I'm going to be doing the same thing for the mini marshmallows I got for toppings as well. Next, I crushed up the peppermint bark candy you guys saw earlier and made it into tiny pieces. Did the same thing with some candy cane and a box of Oreo thins. These are all going to serve as toppings. I definitely did rearrange some of the decor pieces I got because they seem to fit better this way. I also got these mason jars from the Dollar Tree. For toppings, I got some pumpkin spice, I have some sea salt, I have some sea salt caramel, I got some ground cinnamon, I have some Hershey syrup, and some whipped cream. Also, don't mind the names that are written on these items. I just like to label my food. Lastly, I baked a fresh batch of snickerdoodle cookies and put those up at the very end. And this is just about the end of the hot cocoa bar. I think it came together very nicely, and I hope you guys enjoy it when you do this yourself at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one. Bye guys!